Have you ever wondered why some online stores make millions, while others barely scrape by selling the exact same products? The difference isn't luck, better products, or even bigger budgets. It's something I call digital magic, and in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to cast these spells on your own e-commerce store to multiply your sales starting today. I'm talking about psychological triggers so powerful that Amazon uses them to generate over $400 billion in annual revenue. These aren't complicated technical hacks or expensive advertising tricks. They're simple digital elements you can implement this afternoon that will transform browsers into buyers like you've never seen before. My name is Sarah, and over the past 8 years, I've helped over 3,000 e-commerce businesses increase their conversion rates by an average of 230% using these exact techniques. I've seen struggling dropshippers go from losing money to generating 6 figures monthly, and established brands double their revenue without spending an extra penny on traffic. But here's what really gets me excited about sharing this with you today. These strategies work regardless of what you're selling, whether you have 10 visitors per day or 10,000, and whether you're just starting out or you've been in business for years. The digital magic I'm about to reveal works because it taps into fundamental human psychology that hasn't changed in thousands of years. Let me start with the most powerful spell in your arsenal, something I call the scarcity sorcery technique. This isn't about fake countdown timers or lying about your inventory levels. Real scarcity sorcery is about creating genuine urgency that compels action without destroying trust. Here's how it works. Instead of saying you only have 5 items left when you actually have 500, you create legitimate time-sensitive opportunities. Launch weekly flash sales with actual deadlines. Offer bonus packages that expire at specific dates. Create seasonal collections that truly go away when the season ends. The key is authenticity combined with clear communication about why the scarcity exists. One client of mine sells handmade jewelry and was struggling to move inventory. We implemented scarcity sorcery by creating monthly limited edition collections of just 20 pieces each. She now sells out every single month and has customers waiting eagerly for the next release. Her revenue increased by 400% in 6 months. The second spell is what I call social proof enchantment. This goes far beyond basic customer reviews. We're talking about creating a complete ecosystem of social validation that makes buying feel like joining an exclusive community rather than taking a risk. Start by showcasing real customer photos using your products in their natural environments. Create a hashtag campaign and feature the best submissions prominently on your product pages. But here's the advanced technique most people miss. Segment your social proof by customer type. Show testimonials from people who look, act, or live like your website visitors. If someone lands on your fitness equipment page from a Facebook ad targeting busy moms, show them testimonials and photos from other busy moms, not professional athletes. If your traffic comes from LinkedIn and targets business professionals, feature reviews from other professionals in similar industries. This targeted social proof enchantment can increase conversions by up to 300%. Now, let's dive into the third piece of digital magic, the Curiosity Catalyst Framework. This technique transforms boring product descriptions into irresistible narratives that keep people reading until they reach your buy button. Instead of listing features and benefits like everyone else, you're going to tell the story of transformation. Start with the problem your customer faces. Then introduce your product as the plot twist that changes everything. Use phrases like, "Here's what happened next," and, "But that's not even the best part," to maintain momentum. For example, instead of saying, "This coffee maker brews perfect coffee in 5 minutes," try, "Sarah used to drag herself to expensive coffee shops every morning, spending over $1,500 per year and arriving at work already stressed. Then she discovered something that transformed her mornings completely and saved her enough money to take a vacation to Italy." The curiosity catalyst works because it activates the brain's storytelling centers, making your product feel like the solution to a compelling narrative rather than just another purchase decision. The fourth spell combines psychology with technology, the personalization potion. This involves using data you already have about your visitors to create customized experiences that feel almost magical. If someone visits your winter coat section 3 times, show them winter coat testimonials on your homepage. If they abandon their cart, send them an email featuring the specific products they were considering along with related items other customers bought together. Use their browsing behavior to create product recommendations that feel intuitive rather than random. One of my favorite personalization techniques is weather-based customization. If your visitor is in a location experiencing cold weather, automatically highlight your warm products. If they're somewhere sunny, feature your summer collection. This simple change can boost relevance and conversion significantly. The fifth and perhaps most powerful technique is the value stacking spell. This isn't about discounting your products, but about increasing perceived value so dramatically that your prices seem like incredible bargains. Create bundles that solve complete problems rather than just offering multiple products together. If you sell skincare, don't just bundle 3 random products. Create a complete nighttime routine that addresses specific concerns, includes detailed instructions, and comes with bonus content like video tutorials or expert tips. Add digital bonuses that cost you nothing but provide tremendous value. Exclusive access to online communities, downloadable guides, video courses, or personal consultations can justify much higher prices while building stronger customer relationships. Here's where most e-commerce owners make a critical mistake. They focus on individual tactics instead of creating a cohesive magical experience. The real power comes from combining these spells into a seamless journey that guides customers naturally from curiosity to purchase. Your homepage should immediately establish credibility with social proof enchantment. Your product pages should use curiosity catalysts to maintain engagement, while scarcity sorcery creates urgency. Your checkout process should reinforce value stacking while personalization makes everything feel tailored specifically for that customer. But here's what separates the real digital magicians from everyone else. They test everything relentlessly. Every headline, every button color, every product description becomes an experiment. They use tools like heat mapping and user recording to see exactly how customers interact with their sites, then optimize based on real behavior rather than assumptions. The most successful e-commerce entrepreneurs I work with spend at least 1 hour per week analyzing their data and implementing improvements. They treat their websites like living documents that evolve based on customer feedback and behavior patterns. Start implementing these digital magic techniques today, but begin with just one. Pick the spell that resonates most with your current situation and focus on perfecting it before moving to the next. Master scarcity sorcery if you need more urgency, social proof enchantment if you need more credibility, or curiosity catalysts if your product descriptions need more engagement. Remember, digital magic isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology and using that knowledge to create genuinely better shopping experiences. When you help customers make confident decisions about products that truly benefit their lives, everyone wins. Your e-commerce success story starts with the first spell you cast. Choose one technique, implement it this week, and watch as your conversion rates begin their magical transformation. The digital realm is waiting for you to claim your place among the e-commerce wizards who turn visitors into loyal customers with nothing more than strategic psychology and authentic value. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from the information provided. Your support helps us create more valuable content that can guide you on your journey in the digital marketing and e-commerce sectors. By staying connected, you'll gain access to future videos that delve deeper into specific topics and provide insights into the latest industry trends. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you.